Holmarc's laser microscope, model HOA-LMS-02, offers cutting-edge optical technology for precise imaging in various scientific applications. Designed with an infinity-corrected optical system, it employs bright field observation through high-bright white LED illumination, featuring adjustable intensity for customizable lighting conditions. The manual, revolving nose piece includes for objective lenses with positive precision click stops, accommodating RMS objective threads. The Siedentopf Trinocular head allows for comfortable viewing with a 30-degree inclination and an adjustable interpupillary distance of 48 to 75 mm. Each eyepiece is a 10x wide field model, providing a field number of 20 mm and diopter adjustment for enhanced clarity. The microscope is equipped with two plan achromatic objectives, a 10x lens with a numerical aperture of 0.35 and a working distance of 2.37 mm, and a 40x lens with a numerical aperture of 0.85 and a working distance of 0.42 mm. Both lenses deliver resolutions of approximately 1 micron and 0.5 microns, respectively. Additionally, the integrated camera features a 1/2.5-inch CMOS sensor with an active imaging area of 5.70 mm by 4.28 mm and a resolution of 5 MP, capturing images at various frame rates and supporting multiple formats like RAW, BMP, JPG, and PNG. Applications for the HOA-LMS-02 extend across biological research, materials science, and nanotechnology, facilitating laser excitation through an additional port for advanced imaging techniques. The microscope's robust construction includes a height-adjustable dual rod system, offering a coarse range of 12 cm to 25 cm and fine adjustments, and it is also breadboard mountable for versatile experimental setups. This sophisticated instrument is ideal for professionals seeking high-resolution imaging capabilities in laboratory environments. Holmarc's laser microscope, model HOA-LMS-02. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.